Okay, so now you've learned your chords, which are literally like 90% of pop songs. And these are the open chords because you don't need to use your bar finger. Next thing you learn will probably be the bar chords, and this is usually where a lot of super beginner guitarists they get demotivated. But let me be honest with you. I was quite demotivated by how to play the bar chord as well. But basically, what you should do is rather than focus your energy towards this part of your finger, you should try using the more bony part, and then you press down on it. You'll get used to it, but basically, this is how you play a bar chord. Yeah. Once you learn those chords, you realize that chords are basically the definition of a chord is three or more notes stacked with each other. So a major chord is basically the 1, 3, and 5. So what is the 1, 3, and 5? Let's bring it down to scales. I'll show you the major scale, okay? So let me play C major, which is the relative major of the A minor scale. I'll show you what this means. I'll just play the C major scale real quick. So this is the C, because you can see that it makes up. The C chord basically consists of the C, E, and G notes. And why is this? Because it's the 1, 3, and 5. So it's C, D, E, F, G, right? C is the 1. It's always the root note. So the root note always, the chord is the root note here, C. And then the 3 will be C, D, E. So do, da, da, C, D, E. Da, 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 da. So it's C, E, G, C again. And then from there you get the C chord. So basically the C chord, the simplest C chord is just C, E, G's like stacked together. And to put it in terms of intervals, it's just a 1, 3, and 5 within the major scale. So if you take it here, that's the C. So the scales are really important in this context. And when you have a scale, right, you should start learning the scales across the entire fretboard. So I'll show you, like, this is the C major. But when there's the scale, it's across the entire fretboard, right? So I'll show you the minor scale for this. For every major, there's also a minor scale, and this is the minor scale for it. So this is basically the A minor scale. And how do you know that the A minor scale, how do you find the minor scale of a major scale? So basically this is the C major chord, right? Like you can see, right? You basically go 3 half steps down, and then you reach the A minor. Then yeah. So that's where the famous pentatonic licks come from. So it's like the pentatonic is, and basically the pentatonic is just the minor scale devoid of the 2nd and the 6th. So because you remove off the 2nds, right? See, you remove off this and you remove off this. So then you can do a lot of sick licks with it. So and if you want something that's more pentatonic, So that's the basics of the scales. Like, let me know if you have any questions.